Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify audit trail for deductions using QuickBooks Online, full guide step by step clearly. To verify the audit trail for deductions in QuickBooks Online, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the left side menu and click on the Reports option. In the search bar at the top, type Audit Log and select it from the drop-down suggestions. Once the audit log screen opens, review the date range at the top of the page to ensure it covers the period you want to examine. If needed, adjust the date range by selecting the Customize option. Enter the start and end dates relevant to the deductions you wish to verify. Click Run Report to refresh the audit log based on your selected date range. Scroll through the audit log to find the entries that apply to the deductions you are interested in. You can filter the audit log by user actions or specific transactions by using the drop-down menus available on the page. To find specific deductions, use the search bar within the audit log, typing keywords related to the deductions. Click on any entry to view detailed information about the changes, including who made the changes and when. Take note of any alterations made to deduction amounts, payees, or transaction categories. If applicable, cross-reference the information with your original records to ensure accuracy. Once you have gathered all necessary information, assess whether there are any discrepancies or concerns. If you find any issues, consider creating an adjustment or contacting your accountant for further assistance. After completing your review, you can exit the audit log by clicking the X at the top right corner of the screen. Be sure to save or document any findings for your records or future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.